Infinity RG, taking action to develop the students.
Dear participants, to say something here, I would love to get introduce myself. I'm Nahid, a student. I live at Shohidpur Sorok in Sherpur district. My father's name is late Noinullah. My mother's name is Mokura Begum. She is a homemaker. I am from respectable Muslim family. My family consists 5 members, such as my mom, my elder sister, my elder brother, and a younger brother, and myself. My mother always remains her busy in her working place. My mother controls my family as usual. My mother takes care of all the household activities. So I love my mother more than anything in the world. My favorite hobbies is reading story books. Everybody should have a best friend. I have a best friend. His name's Mr. Saurabh. Is a student. His father's name's Mr. Salauddin, a businessman, and his mother's name's Mrs. Uh, Sultana Begum, a school teacher. He is a punctual and gentle boy. I like him very much. He wants to be an executive magistrate in future. Please pray for him. Uh, there is a proverb, home is where the heart is. My home is in a village. It's made with brick and tin. It's a very comfortable place. Everybody has separate room in this home. There are 2 bedrooms, 2 washrooms, 1 kitchen and 1 passage to fly on. I love my home very much because it provides every necessity for its all members. So I like my home. The village name is my village name is Saidaland. It's in Islampur police station in Jamalpur district. My village is very beautiful area of Islampur. There are 25,000 people live in my village. There are 5 schools, 1 college, 1 post office, and 4 mosques in my village. Most of the people are educated. There is a small river in my village side. The name of the river is Dashan. It looks very beautiful to look at. The district name is Jamalpur. It's very beautiful. It's one of the beautiful districts of Bangladesh, I think definitely, because it has 7 police stations such as Jamalpur Sodor, Islampur, Madarganj, Melando, Dewanganj, Shorishabari, and Bakshiganj. Most of the police stations are very inside place. There are very charming and interesting places. It's very beautiful to look at. The name of our country is Bangladesh. Now it's called Digital Bangladesh. It became independent in 1971 through a bloody liberation war. It's one of the beautiful countries of the world, I think. About 30 lakhs men and women laid down their life for the cause of our liberation or independence. Its land area including river is 1,47,570 square kilometer. You know that our country is small, but it has a large population. Our country is not only riverine country but also agricultural country. I think Bangladesh is a peaceful country. Uh, we want to see our country will free from hungry and poverty as soon as possible, inshallah. However, we know, however, we have the news that is both sad and happy to share with you. Let me say you first about the sad news. Sad news is known to all about COVID-19. The coronavirus has punished us a lot. A lot of people already been died. We are faced a lot of problems like educational, physical, mental and social problems. Having such a pandemic situation, we are now lagging behind. And the second one is good news. Yes, in the name of Almighty Allah, we are now waiting for the prevention of vaccine, and we are now cure. Coronavirus has taught us how to lead our time and to spend our time and energy and getting together. We are now hoping the new day. The new day will come soon. And, we shall see the children will go to their schools as usual. The worker will join their working place. Children will play in the playground and so on, inshallah. Dear participants, please never mind for speaking English. We are Bengali as well as Bangladeshi, but our mother tongue Bangla. But I am delivering speech in English. Do you know? But why? Yes, we all should know about this. English is an international language. It's an foreign language. The higher education book are written in English. If we want to go abroad, we have to learn English fluently, correctly, and fearlessly. The most of the newspaper of Bangladesh and the valuable newspaper are written in English, such as the Daily Star, the Independent, the Asian Age, the News Today, etc. So English is very essential for us, and we have to learn English. Actually, one day I came to see an advertisement and found and at West Tiger event found the English teacher, Mr. Soyed Profitullah Amin Dukhu sir, about the social media Facebook. Watching this aid, I contacted to him and finally admitted that he spoken English language course for 3 months. It was an interesting course and the method of this course was so easy to understand. Our beloved Dukhu sir always tried to find out our hidden treasures and always let be punctual. Joining his spoken English course, I gained and acid most essential part, the excellent ideas of performing any stage program, anchoring any performance, and running any talk show program, etc. I especially cordial thank to Mr. Dukhu sir for being established this institution by the name of Oyster Academy in Sherpur for spoken language course. I am so happy because to join here I have learned many ideas of English. So I cordial thank to Dukhu sir. I highly request you to join the outdoor program. I strongly believe this step will be good for your children and your future life. Joining our beloved Dukhu sir's outdoor program, you will present you a magnificent experience. Unintentionally, in conclusion, to speak the truth, it's a nice moment with you. Use mask, stay home, stay safe. Unintentionally, if I made any mistake, please take it easy and pardon me. Hope to see you next. Have a good time. Good luck.